Charot! Hindi ikaw yan. Wala kang baby video.
Hello, Shanas. I just arrived home from work, but I was thinking on what to say to you. I have taken the video many times before. Hopefully this is the best video ever. I just want to greet you. I know you are entering into a significant milestone, but I'm saying that at 40 you still look fabulous, and of course smart and creative. But there's no doubt because we have the same genes. But I just want you to know that every word you've said, I always reflect on them. And I know mom is sometimes very difficult to understand, but you are my daughter, you are my children, so I just am happy that you have reached this milestone in your life, and you have brought me this wonderful children, my grandchildren, and of course a very significant person in your life, Neil, who has been very supportive of me as well. Anyway, it's not my day, it's your day, and I am greeting you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita San!
Yay!
My birthday, Tita Shana!
Shaq, how about you? Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Shaz!
Happy birthday, Shan!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Tita Shan! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Happy Shan! Happy birthday! Clap! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Shan!
Sana maging masaya tayo bukas, and sana lahat ng mga dreams mo ay matupad, and thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo at lahat ng mga advice niyo sa amin ni Kuya Nid. We really appreciate po lahat ng mga sinasabi niyo sa amin. At yan lang. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tishan! Ang wish ko lang ay good health and happiness for you and the whole family. Love you! Ganun ka! Flying kiss!
Hi Ate Shan! Happy birthday! Sana happy ko sa iyong birthday! Magpakain ka na dyan! Love you! Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Shan! More birthday to
Ito na! Happy birthday, Ate Shan! God bless you always!
Happy 40th birthday! More blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Enjoy your life, enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Shan! Ingat kayo palagi!
Hi, Shan. Nasa duty pa ako eh. Gusto kitang batiin ng isang masaganang happy birthday sa iyo. Masakit ang lalamunan ko na talagang mahirap ang lumabas. Napakahirap yung sitwasyon ko dahil mahina ako sa lamig, anak. So baka naman sa susunod baka pwede naman doon na lang sa inyo, mas malapit, o kaya somewhere in Victoria. Yun na, tumatanda na tayo, maraming naramdaman. Basta ang importante, ma-celebrate mong birthday mo. Have good health. At walang dumarating na sakit, na masaya na tayo. Pagpasalamat natin sa Panginoon na buhay tayo palagi at ganun malakas. Again, anak, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Shan.
Happy birthday, Ate Shan.
God bless.
God bless you always. Hello, Ate Shan. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Shan! Enjoy your day, stay happy, and stay pretty.
God bless.
Hello from Burrito.
Happy birthday, Sean. More birthdays to come. Kumusta na kayo?
Shanas, 40 years old ka na pala. Matagal ka na ni Pwede sa Canada, ikaw pala nauna. God bless you on your birthday. God bless you with peace, love, and happiness with your family. Natutuwa ang papa mo sa langit. So, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ikaw pa, mag-birthday ka. Happy birthday, Nas. Sige, bye-bye.
Hi, Shan. Inaanak ako sa kasal ng mom and dad mo. Boss ko rin noon si Mr. Sim Soto sa Sports Weekly Magazine. Artist ako doon. Ako nga pala si Rowena, Weng Ro kung tawagin ng dad mo. It's your 40th birthday na nga pala, sabi ng mom mo. Kaya, happy birthday to you. I wish you good health, more birthdays to celebrate, and may God shower you with countless blessings. Enjoy your special day.
Hi, Ate Shan. Just want to wish you a happy 40th birthday. And to be honest with you, you don't look nothing like 40. You look beautiful and incredible at your age. And I just wish you all the happiness in the world. which I know you already have that with your family. And hopefully I'll see you soon. I don't know if you can see my t-shirt, it says Canada, so I'll be going there very soon and spend time with you guys, with Kuya Jingle and Ate Early, so can't wait for that. And so here's my mom. It's her turn.
Hello, Shan. Happy 40th birthday. I just want to share you this verse in Proverbs 30. It's 31:30. Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Honor her for all that her hands have done, and let her works bring her praise at the city gate. Again, happy birthday. I just want to let you know how blessed we are for having you in the family. We're really grateful. Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Yay.
Okay. Birthday, Shana. May you have many more birthdays to come, and congratulations, you're a registered nurse. God bless you. From Tito Harry and Tita Nini, a friend of your Papa Sim and Mama Tere, during our Happy Days in Atlas Publishing.
Hi Ate Shan, wishing you a happy birthday or birthdays to come, good health and stay gorgeous and sexy.
Hi Shanas, happy 40th birthday, wishing you good health and more birthdays to come.
Hi, happy birthday Tita Shan.
Hi, happy birthday Ate Shan. Ang wish ko sa'yo, magkatotoo lahat ng wish mo at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Yay! Happy birthday! We miss you!
Happy birthday, Shan! 40 ka na pala? Oh my gulay. Welcome to the club. Thank you for all the years that we have spent time together. Thank you for all the birthday parties, shower parties, at lahat-lahat na. Ikaw na, Erwin.
Happy birthday! Kung ano yung sinabi niya. Again, enjoy and welcome to being 40. Nagsisimula na yung mga aches and pains na yan, pero that's the sign of you know, getting wiser and the kids getting older, you know. So cheers to more years of being good friends, and thanks for always being there for the kids, and good health to all of us, especially to you and Neil, and yeah, more birthdays to come.
Haba pala. Inom tayo Saturday. Cheers!
Thank you for everything, Tita Shan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Shan! More blessings! Enjoy your day!
Happy 40th birthday, Shan. I wish you a long, happy, and successful life. Continue to be a blessing to others. Take care.
Happy birthday, Shanas! Enjoy your day!
Hi Shan, happy birthday! Enjoy your day, stay kind and sweet, God bless!
Sometimes, it's very hard to know what to say on their birthday, especially if you haven't seen her for a long time. But to you, my sister-in-law, wishing you a happy birthday. May God be with you all life through to keep you safe and happy. Sabi nga nila, kung bati-bati lang, walang utang. Shan, pairam ng pang-show money eh. Happy birthday!
Hey Sean, happy birthday! I'm sorry I can't be there for your birthday first off, but I do wish you well, and I wish you all the happiness, all the love, all the joy that you truly deserve. My family, Gary, especially Mommy, loves you so much, and we all hope that you have a wonderful day and healthy years ahead of you. Thank you so much for inviting us over, but this time around we can't come, but hopefully we will be able to see you soon. Love you so much. Enjoy your day and have a good one. Love you. Bye.
Hi. To my lovely wife, Shan, happy 40th birthday. Wish ko sana matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo. At more birthdays to come. At sana more memories sa ating dalawa at ating mga anak. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong kaarawan mo. And yeah, panatiling malusog ka ngayong pangatao. We love you so much. And God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. I hope you're happy and healthy. Okay. Happy 40th birthday, Mommy. I love you. Thank you, and thank you for taking care of me.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.
How old is Mommy?